Hi, everybody. We are now in the processes section of our book. As I told you, we'd be skipping around some. We've already read the very beginning chapters, and that was last week. We also read one of the middle chapters in the green section, which is the different kinds of writing that we'll be doing. This processes section is a few short chapters in the middle of the book in the purple section. So it's several chapters I told you to read. Um, Not chapter 34 because we're not writing a portfolio, but this slide in particular, or this slideshow lecture, is very short. It's only 2 slides, and it covers writing as inquiry, chapter 27, and chapter 28, which is collaborating. So let me move forward. The first slide is writing as inquiry, which is chapter 27. So what this chapter goes over is how to start with questions in order to begin your project. Your goal is to learn about your subject. So think about asking questions that help explore what you think and why you think it. Think about strategies that are utilized for writing in different genres. And I've talked about these kind of strategies earlier in the semester last week. But for instance, the strategy called define or describe, explain, compare and contrast, use cause and effect, classify and divide, analyze, argument. Different strategies like these work best in different genres. So for instance, description is often associated with writing a narrative. Cause and effect is often associated with writing a position paper or an argument. Explanation is often associated with analysis, but different genres will incorporate many different strategies. So you could be defining, describing, and explaining in a literacy narrative. You could also be comparing, classifying, and arguing in a position paper. So asking questions about these strategies in relationship to your topic will help you think about what to write and how to write it. And we actually will be covering many, if not all, of these strategies as we continue through the semester. And then chapter 28 on collaborating, I actually don't have very much to say here because due to our asynchronous online class sessions and the short amount of time we have, you will not read others' drafts. That is one thing, unfortunately, I had to leave out of this semester in order to get in all of the things I thought were necessary, such as 1 paper per week, plus rough drafts, plus your daily grades. And you will read discussion boards, however, which is a type of collaborating because you're reading others' writing. And you can collaborate with your writing tutors, friends, family, and or me to get ideas and assistance with your projects. So those are the key highlights of chapter 27 and 28. Bye-bye.